Good morning, everybody. Today we are exploring Stinging Fork Falls, which is part of Justin P. Wilson State Park, which is also called Cumberland Trail State Park.
Cumberland Trail State Park, or Justin P. Wilson State Park, I think it was renamed, is a linear state park in Tennessee. That is a whole different video in itself, so hopefully we'll get to show you some of that.
It's a trail system that starts around Chattanooga and goes all the way up to northeast Tennessee, and it's not quite done yet, but they've been working on it for many years, trying to connect all these state wildlife areas and
the WMAs, the national park. It's at a national park, so it's big. It's big, and it's going to be beautiful.
But it does connect a lot of areas such as Ozone Falls,
Black Mountain outside of Crossville. They're going to add the laurel snow. We just did the video on that, so they're going to add that in. That's part of the unfinished section. Gosh, it's a bunch.
It is a bunch of cool areas that are slowly becoming connected to each other with this state park.
So for now, we're just doing segments at a time. And laurel snow was the video we put out a few weeks ago. And now this is Stinging Fork. So we're going to show you Stinging Fork. But the trail itself, I think it's less than a mile to get down there, or maybe right at a mile to get to the falls. So you're looking at about 2 miles, a little less than 2 miles to get to the falls and back up.
Do you know how tall the Stinging Fork is?
Stinging Fork is, it's either 30 or 35 feet tall. Yeah. We were here once. It's been a long time ago.
Before we had a YouTube channel.
Before the YouTube channel, definitely. So we're excited we're pretty sure this is a different route in than what we took the first time. So we're pretty excited to get down here and show you Stinging Fork. The parking area up there, it's just a little gravel turnout on the side of the road. The kiosk, information kiosk. And here you can see, like he was saying, it has been logged. It's kind of a blank tabletop here. Blank mountaintop. Tennessee had our first big snow of the season just about a week or so ago. It's still on the ground up here on the mountain. It's a little mushy. Alright, we have hit our first sign just right inside the tree line, and there's a lot. This connects a lot. Of course, it's the Cumberland Trail North, Cumberland Trail South. Our Stinging Fork Falls is this way, and then the Piney River trailhead is this way. But this one caught our attention. Head of the Sequatchie, 16 miles. Sequatchie River runs through the Sequatchie Valley here in Tennessee, which is a beautiful, beautiful area. Head of the Sequatchie is just a little spring.
It's a cave.
Actually, just a little cave that flows out of the ground and creates the beautiful Sequatchie River. But it was interesting to us that you can hike 16 miles to the head of the Sequatchie.
It's just another one of those areas that is part of the Justin P. Wilson trail.
Yep. Ooh-wee. All right, this is the bad part about hiking in the winter. Watch your step. I'm trying to step on the dry part. Whew. Y'all, we need some rock salt down here. It's slick. Oh, look. All right, Scotty's ahead of me. He said it's ice, so be very, very careful. Ugh, the steps get worse down here. I feel like an old lady. Ooh, y'all, the closer we get to the bottom, the more snow is left. It is beautiful. and it is slick. I kind of wish we brought our crampons or to put on our shoes, or ice cleats to snap on our shoes. Whew. I'll know better next time. Ooh, we are almost there. Scotty's probably already been down there 10 minutes. I'm still picking my way down these icy steps. Oh, look. These are really thick. All right, let's get on out of here. I made it. Oh, look at him.
Did you get my photograph from
Gosh, that is beautiful. All right, I am so glad I made it down here. I am a nervous wreck, but I'm really glad we're making our way.
Kind of put it in perspective.
That's kind of neat. This was Scotty's idea. All right, y'all. We've made it to the bottom. Finally, I've made it to the bottom. Stinging Fork Falls. And then the Piney River trailhead that direction. But let's go see Stinging Fork Falls. Wow, how beautiful. Is that a slide?
Yeah.
Would you slide down that in the summertime?
I would definitely slide down there.
Oh, here it is. Stinging Fork Falls.
The hike to Stinging Fork today was very challenging. When we left home, there was no snow on the ground, but we didn't think about snow being in higher elevations. We had planned on seeing 2 waterfalls today. Both of them were very short hikes, but the snow here has melted a little bit and then frozen overnight, making it extremely slick.
It's slick, and I'm even more cautious than he is, so it's taken us like an hour and a half to go a mile.
There's a place right up here that I took a quick look at, and if I had slipped and fell, I would have fell right into the water and just slid right on down the waterfall because it's freaking slick up there.
It's a beautiful pool. He would have had a pool to splash in.
It had been a cold walk out. We hope you enjoyed coming along on an adventure with us today at Stinging Fork Falls. Just would like to remind everybody it doesn't cost anything to visit our state parks and state natural areas here in Tennessee.
Yeah, so today we've been surprised with this winter wonderland. We thought we'd already missed all of the snow, all of the waterfalls in the snow. It isn't frozen, but it is still beautiful. But that's a reason you should subscribe to our channel, because you never know what we're gonna find on our next adventure.